you guys.
Thank you.
And now we're moving on with a round called as Rapid Fire.
Okay.
So are you all ready for it?
Yes, excited.
Great.
Okay. All right, Rapid Fire round with Aldi. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Excited?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Here we go. Favorite band or singer?
My favorite band.
You have to be very spontaneous.
Yeah,
Rapid fire, yeah.
There are many bands I like, so
You have any? You like your own band?
yeah.
Is that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If you could be fluent in any other language, which would it be?
Konkani uleta.
So Ani
said
Shikmal
more
like
fluent.
Konkani.
Which other she said?
French.
French.
Yeah.
Alright,
I know a little bit of French. Yeah,
You
I
want to
studied
learn
in school. Yeah, I want to learn more.
Right. What song always reminds you of your own childhood?
I like this song, Sleeping Child.
Why? It reminds you of your childhood?
Yeah, like, I used to hear this song like,
Okay. All right.
All the time.
Have you ever tried to do something you know you would be really bad at?
yeah, I've tried something.
What
Yeah,
was it?
playing football when I even scored a goal in my own goal post once.
All right. Okay. All right.
Okay.
The other question is laugh. All right. Okay. How many keys do you have on your key ring?
Key ring. I think around 3.
3. All right. Okay. Morning, noon, or night? Choose one.
Night.
Okay. What is the last thing you liked on social media?
Reels of random singers singing.
Okay. What movie has everyone else seen but you haven't?
I guess Coleman.
You not seen it? Really?
I hear about it. No, I've not seen it.
तुझो text कोणाक होता?
I think nowadays I'm texting Stacey only with respect to the bookings that
Oh,
are
yes,
coming.
yes.
Like, yeah, this show is booked. Please note it down.
Please take the advance.
Okay. What dish do you cook best?
Oh, what I cook the best. Mama will look now. Yeah,
Look now. Which is this dish now?
No, I think he meant she'll watch the interview and know that. Sorry.
what I've cooked, anything?
I can't remember. I've eaten your mama's food
I
away.
think
You're very worst cook.
I know to make. I know to
Don't
cook
say
rice.
eggs,
Yeah,
huh?
noodles. Yes, noodles.
I helped
Yeah,
you.
noodles.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fresh food or fried food?
I'll be honest. I like fried food.
Okay. Your favorite performance?
My favorite performance. My favorite performance was with Stacey Olim. We did a wedding that was in February in Talegaon Community Center. That
Yes,
show was
yes,
really
yes.
amazing.
All right.
We really loved it.
Yeah.
All right. Well played, yeah.
Thank
Certain
you, sir.
question you missed answering, but then
Yeah.
no problem. Stacey is gonna answer in your behalf now. Are you
Same
ready?
questions?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Mazra or Suni?
Dog.
Okay. Kenna tori tu costly bet jikla? Have you ever won a bet?
With my brother, we always bet on a lot of things. Like, yeah.
Okay. What never fails to make you laugh?
I laugh pretty much at everything, but when I have to be serious, I be serious.
खुयचे कांतार आयकोंक तुका चड आवडटा? Which song?
Konkani? English?
Any. Which is one song that you like hearing the
I
most?
have too many favorites, so it's so difficult to tell.
Do you recollect anything now? There are too many.
Yeah,
What
too
did you
many.
eat for breakfast today?
I had nuggets.
तुझ्या मनान कितें येता जेन्ना हांव अशें म्हणटा फ्रूट?
Fruit?
What comes in your mind?
Fruit salad.
तुका कित्याची चड भिरांत दिसता?
Water.
Why?
I have fear that I may drown. Or if
Phobia?
yeah, just
Okay.
aquaphobia.
What would you change about yourself?
Sorry?
What would you change about yourself?
I don't want to change it. I'm happy the way I am.
केन्ना तरी तूं मोगान पडला?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Give the person to your left a compliment.
The best duo partner I could have.
Did you say it purposely, like to make him happy?
No, I say that. We
No, she
always
keeps saying
appreciate each other.
Okay, what is your last Google search?
I I remember searching the location to come here.
Okay. Which band did you see performing last?
Black and white for
What?
Oktoberfest.
My favorite band.
What is the ugliest vegetable?
Karela.
So the inspiration gone.
My parents.
Okay. Now, what is the best advantage of being really tall?
People make you take selfies.
Wow.
Oh, that was
They're like, your hands are long, no, take a selfie. Or can you give us something that is up? I don't mind it. It's really nice, like, you know, like you're tall, no, so you can see probably. We cannot see we're short and all that.
All right. Well played.